too late. Sun is already up. Why am I always doing this? Morning, here we are again. I'm late, but the idea is to try and get some sort of shot with the FPV drone. But as you can see, I've literally just got out of bed. I'm late, I didn't set the alarm. I've not got my seatbelt on. Anyway, we're going to head down St Antonin Way into the gorges of Aveyron to see if we can make the most of what essentially is a mist sunrise. Alright, that noise is annoying, so I'm going. So you can just see the gorge off to the left there. The sun's nicely on it. Can we do anything about that? I suppose we're going to find out. Okay mate, do good things. Oh,